I am so excited to talk to you today about the Schedule Send feature in Gmail. Prior to just a few months ago, to schedule a message to send at a later time, for example, maybe the next morning when people arrived to work, you had to add a special program called Boomerang onto your Gmail in order to make that happen. Now it is right there, ready to go directly in the Gmail program. So if I go to compose and do my message just like I normally would with my recipient, my subject line, and my message, instead of going down and hitting the send button straight away, I'm going to drop down the little arrow and hit schedule send. I have some built-in options here that I can choose to click on, or I can go in and just customize by clicking pick date and time, and then I can schedule this message to send either later the same day and pick a time, or maybe I want to send it the next day or later in the week. So I'm going to choose this date, and maybe I want it to send when everyone is arriving to work and getting their day started in the morning. So I might change that to 8 a.m. and then I'm going to hit schedule send. So this will take it to a special section in your mailbox called Scheduled, and if you click on that, you have the ability to click on it, and then you can view it, edit it, and you can even cancel it from here if you need to. So just a quick review, we're going to click Compose, do our message as normal, choose the drop down arrow next to send, and choose schedule send. So hopefully this will be helpful in making your job a little more efficient. If there's anything that you need help with, please do not hesitate to reach out and we'll be happy to help. Thank you. Have a great day.